Yo, what's up guys, Shabana from reviews and stuff, and today we have another unboxing for you. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. This is the Note 9, that's 512 GB. So the higher end of the model, other than that, they're both pretty much the same. So let's have a look at the box. On the front, it's pretty nice and clean and tidy, nothing too special. Got the S Pen over there, nice touch. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 on the side. On the back, just got some specs. So you got a 6.4 inch full rectangle and with 6.3 inch rounded corners, Quad HD Plus AMOLED display. Dual cameras, got 12 megapixel optical image stabilized lens and a 12 megapixel f2.4 lens. We also have super slow-mo, 8 megapixel selfie camera, iris scanner, S Pen, 512 gigs of storage and 8 GB of RAM. Stereo speakers tuned by AKG, earphones tuned by AKG, a 4000 mAh battery, which is good to see. Wireless charging with an extra charging pad and IP68 water and dust resistance. On the side, nothing else, just some IMEI information on the bottom. So that's pretty much the box itself. Let's get open and see what we get inside. Make a nice clean cut and rip. So there we have the box with its plastic packaging on top. Nice matte finish. Samsung always has some pretty nice boxes these days. Let's open it up. First, the cover slides off. Just put it to the side here. Here we have the actual Note 9 box with a seal. So let's cut the seal open. There we go. So there's the seals open there. And then we flip it open. So nothing nice and clean there. Just lift up the first tab and see what we have here. So the first thing we have is a little box of notes and booklets and stuff. This is pretty standard these days. You can have a look at what's inside. We've got our SIM pin right here. Inside we have, oh, that's nice to see, we've got a nice clear case. Very, very cool to see the Samsungs nowadays including a clear case. That's very good. And just a bit of documentation, standard stuff. Put it to the side. And here we have the phone itself. So let's pull the phone out. So here we have the phone itself, if you want to get in focus. There you go. So this is the blue version, as you can see. We'll just put this to the side for now and see what else is in the box. So I'll just take that thing off. So we have our standard USB connector, which is USB-C to full-size Type A, which is nice for doing a phone-to-phone transfer. Got our charging brick, Samsung fast charging. This is if I can read it, this is a 9 volt 1.67 amp or a 5 volt 2 amp charger. This is one of Samsung's fast charging chargers. And a little box here, nothing, just space. That's all good. Let's open the top here. So here we have our USB to USB-C cable, standard stuff. Headphones, these look like the same ones that came with the Galaxy S8 and I believe the Galaxy S9, but we'll give them a test to see what they actually sound like. Oh, this is interesting. So being a Note, we do have the stylus in this phone, so we've got a couple of extra stylus tips in here. A little box. Have a look at what's inside. Get the packet open. So we have a couple of stylus tips right here in the little packet and a tip puller sort of tool. It's nice to see that they've included those as well. And of course we have our different sized rubber earpieces. So let's have a look at the phone itself now. So just put all the packaging to the side. And let's keep all the actual phone pieces in front of us here. So here we have the actual Galaxy Note 9. Just a bit of sticker, so let's pull the rear sticker off. And the front, of course, is always the most satisfying part of any unboxing. So there we go, there we have the Note 9 in all its glory. first impressions, it feels really nice to hold in the hand. Very, very comfortable to hold. Feels much better than the S series, I would say. It is definitely a decent size bigger than the Samsung Galaxy S series, but it's not too huge. As you can see, we've got a little 2 cameras on the top and sensors and everything on the top. The top of the phone's pretty clean, just the SIM tray and the SD card goes in there as well. On the side we have a normal volume buttons and Bixby, and on the other side we got a power button, a standard, bottom, yay, headphones jack, and a USB-C connection as well as a speaker and the stylus. On the back we got a fingerprint reader, our dual cameras, flash, and the infrared and heart rate sensor and all that sort of stuff. So let's see. Stylus, push that in and it clips out. Ooh, very cool. So this is the bright yellow colored stylus, as you can see here. If we get a closer look at the stylus itself, if we can get this into focus, we have the stylus itself has the button on the top as well as the button on the side, and it's a nice tip. Feels quite nice actually to hold in the hand. It's a decent size, feels nice and sturdy as well. So let's just put this back in, and that slots straight in right there. And let's give it a quick start up, see if we have any charge on the phone at all. There we go. So button press shows up Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Samsung logo, and there we have it. So the phone will start up now and we'll go through what's actually happening in the review. So there we have it. There's a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I hope you enjoyed the video. I try to keep it short and just quick to see what comes in the box. Keep your eye out for a review coming soon. Give us a couple of weeks to use this device and we'll put up a review and see you soon next time. Like always, make sure you smash the like button if you like the video and subscribe for more videos coming out soon. See you guys.